Welcome to PCS Current News program. The topic of discussion is JCB Prize for Literature 2024. Upmanyu Chatterjee has won the prestigious JCB Prize for Literature 2024 for his novel Lorenzo Searches for the Meaning of Life. The award was announced during a ceremony at the JCB India headquarters in Faridabad on 23 November 2024. Chatterjee received a cash prize of Rs 25 lakh and a trophy titled Mirror Melting, created by Delhi artist Tukral and Tagra. The book explores the spiritual journey of a young Italian man following an accident, highlighting the banalities encountered along the path. Now, before moving on to next slide, we have an announcement for you. Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes are now in Noida, Sector 15. Not Mukherjee Nagar. Noida is the new UPSC hub. Mukherjee Nagar nahi, chale Noida. Our address is C171/2, Block A, Sector 15, Noida, UP. Near Noida Sector 15 Metro Station. For location, click on the link provided in the description. For more information, call us at 9311 406 440. If you would like our counselors to call you back, please fill out the form provided in the description. Now moving on to details about the winning book. Lorenzo Searches for the Meaning of Life features an unlikely protagonist and takes readers on a journey from Italy to London during the 1990s. The narrative is interwoven with significant historical events, including the Chernobyl disaster and the Gulf War, providing a rich context. The novel is praised for its detailed research into monastic life and its ability to subvert reader expectations. Chatterjee humorously remarked on his initial perception of the story as boring, expressing gratitude for its success. Now let's discuss about the significance of the JCB Prize. Established in 2018, the JCB Prize aims to honor exceptional fiction by Indian authors, showcasing diverse storytelling. Meeta Kapoor, literary director for the prize, emphasized its role as a transformative platform in Indian literature. The award continues to attract attention to regional literature and translations, promoting accessibility to diverse narratives. Despite facing controversy over JCB's corporate practices, the prize remains committed to celebrating literary excellence. Now is the time for practice question. How much prize money did Chatterjee receive? Rupees 10 lakh, Rupees 15 lakh, Rupees 25 lakh or Rupees 50 lakh? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.